How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to find watch later playlist on YouTube. So all you need to do is, first of all, make sure to update the application. So head over to your respective app store, and on the search bar you want to type in or locate YouTube. So when you locate YouTube, if you see update, then you have to do it. Otherwise, just click open and log into your account. So once logged in, what you could do is, in order to find the watch later, you simply want to click on the initials from the bottom of the page, and here you should be able to find the creations. But first of all, I need to switch my account. So now then you could go to the use section, then you have these history at the top, and what you need to do is, in order to locate, go to your videos, and when you go to your video section, then you could find watch later videos over here as well. So just go to the playlist, click on it, and you could find the watch later. This is how you could locate watch later playlist on YouTube. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.